Hi, Mark.
Oh,
Hi, how
hi,
you
Florian.
doing? Do you have a minute?
Hey, nice shirt.
Nice shirt as well. I have to ask you for a favor.
Oh no.
Yeah. Do you remember back in the days when we transported this big green beast?
If you want to transport big green heavy machines, you need somebody who's got a heavy trailer license, and I don't have one. Where did you get your heavy trailer license?
I actually did mine during my military service, and it was the first time I put it to actual use.
So Austrian Army, thanks.
Thank you. So that was fun time to transport the Maho on the highway, right?
Yeah. In rain, taking a 1.25 ton Maho from Bavaria all the way to Vienna. Thanks very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. I was scared most of the time, but you're very welcome.
So what do you actually need to make?
We were building our house over the last 2 years, and in order to finish everything up, we still need to do the railing on our balcony, which will be made entirely out of glass in an aluminum profile.
Yeah.
The problem is...
Like this one?
Exactly.
Wow. Lucky I've got one here to talk about.
What a coincidence, right? So yeah, this will be the aluminum profile, and as the mounting bit is slightly angled, if we put the glass in, it would be angled as well.
Right, that would look terrible.
Exactly.
So you're just going to put a couple of washers under it.
So this would be one solution. The other one I would come up with would be to machine some kind of wedges that can go under the aluminum profile in order to make it vertical again.
Perfect. So we're going to machine a couple of wedges on the milling machine. Like,
yeah.
We guess you need, what, one for each end of the thing, right?
Yeah, a couple of, so like 1, 2, it's actually 48.
What?
Yes. If you do it right, right?
So where did you buy it?
I was surprised. I can't fit 3-meter poles in my car, so I had to get creative.
How the hell are you planning on transporting this, honey?
I think I have an idea. They offer a service where they cut the things to size for you, but I don't want to spend that kind of money.
Yeah, it would have cost, what, $1 a cut? You needed 2 cuts? Like $2.
Yeah, you have to start small.
Yeah. Aren't you a little bit overdressed, honey?
I think you are.
As always, right.
Okay, let's get to work.
Did you consider cutting it with like a flex?
That was my initial plan, but some Kiwi I know recommended to use a handsaw because it works way better with a handsaw than with flex.
Looks like we're gonna be here a while.
I should have taken the flex.
Angle grinders suck for cutting aluminium.
It sucks cutting this by hand as well.
But I think...
Yay!
Yay!
Can we go now?
No. I think
Damn
we
it.
fit it in the car, but there's one more to go. It fits!
No, 11 past 5 p.m.
Ah.
Yay! Can we go home now?
No, we go to Mark now.
I thought we make 3 pieces per aluminum rod.
First, we'll probably use inserted cutting tool to cut the 2 recesses. Then I guess we're going to need to drill the 3 holes, and we'll probably use the chamfering tool just to put a bit of a chamfer on the edges, make it look a bit better, huh?
That would be nice.
And then we're done, that's easy.
Not quite yet. As you know, that whole thing is angled.
So what angles do you have?
1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3 degrees.
Do you have a drawing?
You know me, I'm always prepared. But I won't tell you which program I used for sketching that up.
But my number 1 fan, Nico, typically does all of his sketching in Word.
I use PowerPoint. It gives you way more flexibility than Word.
Professor of technical drawing from your technical high school would be proud of you.
They would be so super embarrassed. I prototyped a few of those spaces.
Oh, cool.
So
Show us.
that's basically how the whole thing will look like. So this is the one for 1.5 degrees. I have them for 2, 2.5 and 3 degrees.
The distance here is after we touch off. This is then how much distance we have to then feed down with our angled.
Exactly, if I did my math right. So we have about a 50-50 chance that this is actually working.
Okay, oh, this is looking good.
Yeah, plan B would still be this washes.
So just torque these.
Click, knack.
So to make sure that we have a known position for this thing, let's put in a fixed stop.
All right.
Now at the moment, we don't know where the limit of travel is, but let's just, for the start, just assume that this is going to be okay. And then if we need to move this like further inwards, we'll just put some sort of a nut or something on there to make it fatter. Because it's quite close to the maximum travel in this direction, and I'm not sure exactly where I need to position this, I'll just put in a bit of a pointy tool and just make sure I've got the travel about centered. Okay, that's the back of travel there. So we need to do something different for our stop. I need to move the vise forward. Remove this, probably end up putting it on the other edge and move the whole vise forward. Okay, so I've just set up with a wobbler in the tool holder so that we can touch off the X and Y values. I've got the stop now set on the back side. You can't see it behind here. Okay, so now we're just touching off all our tooling. We've already done the first tool. Somewhere in there should be like half inch
carbide, 45 degrees chamfer tool.
That's
number
the one?
12.
Tool 12, yeah. So if you do a tool change to tool 12.
Tool change, 12. Okay.
Yeah. Right, so here's my chamfer tool.
Okay.
Yep.
Loaded.
Yep, so
Okay.
yes. So once again, you go into the tool offset.
Tool,
Yep.
tool menu, touch off tool
Z.
set,
Yep.
10.5.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, go back out of that menu and you should see 10.5 as your Z height. Cool.
Yeah.
So we've got our 3 tools set. Okay, so with those offsets set up, we're now ready to start writing some programs.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Okay, we've just hand coded our first operation just to cut the 2 grooves on the sides. So we're going to start the program and it'll go over to tool change. Okay. Give it a good wiggle, it's all solid. Okay, that's good. Weights. For this, we're using nice high positive polished inserts designed for aluminium, and they're leaving a mirror finish, so that's nice. How does the extrusion fit?
Oh, it fits perfectly.
Too loose, too tight?
No, that's perfect. It gives me a little bit of wiggle room while
Yeah.
installing it, yeah.
This is house building and not robot building, huh?
We are airspace engineers, Mark.
Because the drill is such a long and skinny drill, decided I will just use my chamfer tool to put some pilot spots into the aluminium, and then I can also go around and chamfer these bird edges before we continue. There's our conditional stop. Are we 25 above?
Nearly.
Yeah, that's because we're sitting on these
Yeah,
birds,
the
aren't we?
birds.
Well, the battery just went flat halfway through this. This is too deep, so I'm just reducing the depth of those. So the last toolpath is drilling the 3 holes. We've put up the side barriers so we've got something to hide behind and not get a shower. Probably won't fit because of the burr. Oh no,
Oh, it fits.
it fits. Okay, that's good. Judging by the way that sounded, I'm glad we have the spotting, because that hand ground drill is not drilling that round. Huh? But I think we're ready to start production. Well, this might take a while, so let's get some reggae going. Last one?
Last one done, finally.
All right.
Yeah, took me a minute or two. Hey Mark, can you use any of those shavings for casting?
Nope, they're covered in oxides, and if you try and melt them, you just end up with this horrible, kind of like slushy sort of aluminium. Then you go back and be electrolytically separated from the oxygen again. Not a great basis for castings. You designed everything off this surface, right?
Basically, I designed it off so we would touch up on the edge.
That's right.
And then add that value that I calculated.
Yep.
And hoping that I got my trigonometry right.
Yeah, oh, that's it. Stop. Right there. That was it. 1.5. Yeah, those round inserts make a pretty nice finish, huh?
Oh, it looks like a mirror.
Nice little wedgie shape. Sanity check.
Let's do a sanity check. So basically, the whole thing is angled inwards a little bit. So meaning it would look like this in the end. Which seems to be fine for me.
Cool.
Cool.
So how many of them do you need at 1.5 degrees?
9 of those. Yeah, like cut them down at home.
Oh, you need 9 individuals, so you need just 3 sticks.
No. I need 9 sticks and I cut them. So it will be...
So 27 in total?
Yes.
Okay. I'm pretty sure this is the longest production run this machine's done in all the time I've owned it. This is kind of wild. I'm too chicken to go with the full proper feed rate on this because it's supposed to be 5 times faster than this.
I'm really amazed how an idea of, hey, I can most probably do that myself, actually turns out. Adds a lot of complexity, and this is a simple task and an easy part, but nevertheless with the right tools.
Everything's doable with the right tools, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we're down to the very last piece of tapering.
Oh yeah,
And
finally.
the job's done. Alright, so we go through all those parts without damaging a single tool.
And a single finger was hurt.
Yeah, that's more important.
Yeah. Hey, by the way, Mark, I think I need to go now. Enjoy your weekend, it was a pleasure.
Luckily, from his time in an Austrian technical high school, Florian knows how to clean a machine. Right, the cool thing about the Maho is you've got a little trapdoor underneath. Whenever I show floor sweeping, I get a mixture of comments saying it's very relaxing to watch somebody else clean a floor, and then other people are like, you're wasting my time, I didn't come here to see you clean the floor.
I mean, they are not wrong.
Nope.
Both of them.
Well, it's looking like a pretty good haul. Now a couple of weeks, get some glass and get it all installed, huh?
Yeah, most probably. I need to cut them up in evenly spaced pieces.
Right.
This will take me some time. But then, yeah, I actually can start installing the profile, and as soon as this is done, ordering the glass, so everything should be done for summer.
Well, Florian, once you've got your glass railing for your balcony finished, please send us a picture of it. I'm sure everyone will be interested.
Will do. Thank you very much, Mark. It was a pleasure working on a Maho and actually see it running in person.
Yeah, and thank you for helping pick it up. That was a big deal.
No worries, but Mark, please promise me it will stay in this basement.
Oh, it will. And thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.